and just make yourself comfortable. And if you like, you can take a deep, big breath in. And when you're ready, let it out and close the eyes all the way down. That's right. And just begin to already let a scene begin to emerge. Get a sense of just being able to perhaps step out that front door and find yourself on a path that perhaps only exists in your mind. But each step out that front door can take you further away from all those stresses, worries, anxieties, or even just the busyness of the day. Each step on that path taking you further away from all that. But even more than moving away from anything that is any of that is this sensation of moving towards this special, peaceful place waiting somewhere at the end of this path. Each and every step and each and every breath, breathing in and out, is almost like the wiping off or washing off of more of the weight that you carried with you out that front door. Making yourself more and more comfortable with each and every step. Perhaps beginning to feel it in the head, perhaps beginning to feel it in the shoulders, or perhaps it's the feet that really release first any of that unnecessary extra weight and burden. Perhaps almost having the experience of each and every step helping you not just let go of the burdens of today, but almost like taking another step further away from the current world. Each step on the path. Just removing another piece of that world there that you've left behind. Perhaps finding yourself noticing how the path is beginning to change, becoming more wooded, more clearly like that of a time gone by. Each breath in, bringing in the sense of a cleaner air. Each breath out, letting go of another care, worry, or burden of that time back there. Finding that perhaps that path is turning as it winds its way through this woods, coming to the bank of a creek. Just notice how that other you that you left behind might have been figuring out how to hop the creek, but you just find yourself noticing how inviting that bank is on the edge of this creek in the woods. And you just settle yourself down, because why not sit down and let go of everything that's unnecessary in order to enjoy this. Sitting there on the bank on a warm summer day, feeling that warmth, just the right temperature, and at the same time the coolness of being here under the trees. And there's something special and relaxing, isn't there, about being able to take the time to notice the leaves on the trees, to notice the dappling of light coming through those leaves, resting in different ways on that water bubbling by, and how the eye begins to see what really can be seen and enjoyed here as the brain lets go of all those other things. Just notice what your eyes are drawn to as this place with each and every breath becomes even more real, even more true to you, taking in the natural scenery, the rich colors. Again, that play of light, so tranquil, so beautiful. Feeling the ground, perhaps the dirt, perhaps the grass underneath you as you sit here. Noticing how true it is that as the mind quiets down, the important sounds can become clearer. Interesting, the sounds that now come to you. The buzzing of an insect, the twittering of a bird, perhaps just the bubbling of the brook, and the sound of the frogs. Finally, the sound of the frogs bringing with them that sense of total, carefree abandon. Being able to sit here not needing to do anything but enjoy. Your eyes now adjusted to the light, seeing things that they hadn't noticed before, the frogs now seeming so clear. And it can be so fascinating, so fun to just sit and watch as the frogs hop, breathe, and contemplate the mysteries of the universe in between each ribbon. And what else do you notice in this moment that feels so good in this place? Perhaps it's the realization that this place is here within you. This special area in this place that's so peaceful and special, always here, waiting for when you need it, filled with what feels safe and comfortable for you. Each and every sound, even the taste of the air and the smell of the leaves and the dirt and the fauna, all adding to, with each breath in, the strength of this sense of peace. And perhaps it even reminds you and becomes enriched by additional places that come to mind, additional thoughts, experiences, memories, almost as if you could sense with one eye the frogs and the other eye, noticing that sensation that comes from just being young and watching the trains go by with their regular rhythm and the clicking and the clacking, one after another as that sound fills your ears. How youth strips away all stress, anxiety, and fills the head with the wonders of the adventures to come yet. The peace of this creek in the warm summer day, and the sense of calming adventure of the trains clicking by one car at a time. And you can take it all in, both of these sensations from both of these places side by side, stored within in this deep, special place. And as you take it all in, notice how your body responds. Perhaps you can imagine the light from this place traveling down your body, sending even more soothing comfort as it softens the muscles of your face and jaw, relaxes your neck and shoulders, softens your arms and hands. As you continue to breathe, opening up the chest and abdomen, feeling comfort spread across your back, releasing your lower back and hips, letting even more light, comfort, and relaxation flow through your legs all the way down to your toes, so your feet can hang loose. And I'll be silent for a moment to allow you, to give you that space, to store that space, to experience that space, that place where letting go of everything unnecessary allows you to relax even more fully into it and enjoy it. And as you breathe in the essence of this peaceful place and this place of imagined adventure, perhaps you can realize that it is a reflection of the peace, wisdom, and beauty that you have inside you. In fact, we know that these qualities are inside of you because you are accessing them right now. When bad things happen, it can cast a shadow over our awareness of our brighter qualities. But just as we know the sun is shining, even at night, the light of your essence is still burning bright. Your body may have been hurt, but you are more than your body. Your feelings may have been hurt, but you are more than your feelings because your feelings can change. Your mind may have been hurt, but you are not your thoughts. Thoughts can change. So who are you? You are a part of that light that you got in touch with in this peaceful place. And that light can never be put out. Someone may try to stop the light or block the light, but the light always finds a way. Even the tiniest pinpoint of light can penetrate the darkest of night. And every time you notice a light in the sky, in a room, or in your mind's eye, it can be a reminder that your light is still alive and shining. That no matter how dark it becomes, within you is this stream, this creek, this bank, these frogs, and those trains. No matter how dark, the light of this place is still alive and shining. And so, knowing this light exists within you and feeling the power of this light, sensing it, being aware of it, and knowing it on every level, in every muscle, in every cell, it exists and will continue to lift, soothe, and support you. And so you can begin guiding yourself back, bringing with you the gifts of this peaceful place. If you like, you can take one more look around your peaceful place. One more chance for your ears to soak up the sounds of the forest and the trains. One more moment for the scents to fill your nose and the taste to touch the tip of your tongue. The sun and the wind and all other sensations flowing over your skin. And bring back any of these that are helpful to you to remember about this experience. And each time you return to this place of light, peace, and comfort, you'll be able to access it even more quickly and easily. And so when you're ready, bringing your awareness back to your breath, the in, the out, letting each breath now lift and restore you in and out. As you feel the supportive surface beneath you and you hear my voice, and when you're ready to gently open your eyes, feeling filled with light, one final breath in, eyes open, stretching, yawning, and coming back with these gifts into the room.